The world recently was in great tension due to North Korea's testing of nuclear weapons and ICBMs. And what is an ICBM? An ICBM is a specific type of ballistic missiles. These missiles can be categorized in two categories by what surface they are fired on. One is fired below the water, known as SLBM, submarine launched ballistic missile. The other is launched on land, which can be categorized by their range. The missile that has the least range of less than 150 kilometers is the BSRBM, Battlefield Short-Range Ballistic Missile. Next, the SRBM, Short-Range Ballistic Missile, has a range between 150 and 800 kilometers. The third range, which is between 800 and 2400 kilometers, is the MRBM, Medium Range Ballistic Missile. Next, the fourth range, which is between 2400 and 5500 kilometers, is the IRBM, Intermediate Range Ballistic Missile. Lastly, the missile with the greatest range of more than 5500 kilometers is the ICBM, Intercontinental Ballistic Missile. There are three phases to a path of a ballistic missile: the boost phase, the mid-course phase, and the terminal phase. Boost phase. Literally, the engine boosts the rocket above the Earth's atmosphere. During the mid-course phase, the engine shuts off, and the payload coasts along above the Earth's atmosphere. Lastly, during the terminal phase, the Earth's gravity pulls down the payload. The guidance system inside the payload guides itself towards the target. This formula is used to find the trajectory of the missile. Every term is a function of time, except the rotational velocity of the Earth, measured in radians per second. There are many changing factors throughout the formula. The mass of the missile changes as the missile depletes the fuel level. Also, the thrust changes when switching stages of the missile, and returns to zero when the engine is shut off. Due to many changing factors and complex calculations, early ballistic missiles were not accurate. For example, the Germans did not deliver mass destruction with their V-2 rockets, despite firing over 3,000 of them during World War II. Now, since Kim Jong-un does not have recent technology, the missiles that he fires will not be successful until North Korea develops advanced military systems.